Sometimes you find, sometimes you are found. The making of art or any project doesn't need to make a point. If it keeps you busy, gives your overthinking a place to land, gives your time a purpose, maybe that's enough. Sometimes you create something valuable. Sometimes you discover something valuable in the act of creating. The same with life. Sometimes you travel toward a destination. Sometimes you know one only after wandering, without direction.
Sometimes you find.
Sometimes you let yourself be found. Both have their own beauty. This reflection reminds us that not everything we do needs to have a grand purpose, a clear outcome, or a profound message attached to it. In a world that constantly asks us to justify our time, prove our productivity, and measure our success, it offers a gentler truth. Sometimes the act itself is enough. When we create art, write, paint, build something, plant a garden, learn a skill, or work on a personal project, we often feel pressure to make it meaningful or impressive. We want the result to be useful, admired, or important. Yet some of the most rewarding creative experiences happen when we stop focusing on the outcome and simply allow ourselves to engage in the process. Creation can become a sanctuary for the mind. It gives restless thoughts somewhere to go. It transforms overthinking into expression. Instead of carrying worries in circles, we pour our energy into making something. The project may not change the world, but it changes the quality of our attention. It gives our time shape, direction, and presence. Sometimes, what we create becomes valuable in ways we never expected. A painting may inspire someone. A story may comfort a stranger. A small idea may grow into something significant. But even when the final product is ordinary, the process itself often leaves us with something precious. We gain patience. We learn discipline. We discover new parts of ourselves. We uncover thoughts and feelings that we did not know were there. The same principle applies to life itself. Many people believe life should unfold according to a carefully designed plan. We are encouraged to know exactly where we are going, what we want, and how we will get there. While goals are important, life rarely follows a straight line. Some of our most meaningful experiences arise from unexpected detours, mistakes, and periods of uncertainty. There are times when we move confidently toward a destination. We know what we are seeking, and each step brings us closer. But there are also times when we wander without a clear map. In those moments, it may feel as though we are lost. Yet often, it is only after looking back that we realize those wandering years taught us the lessons we most needed to learn. A person may set out searching for success and discover fulfillment instead. They may pursue one dream and uncover a completely different calling. They may think they are wasting time when, in reality, they are becoming the person capable of embracing what comes next. That is why the reflection says, sometimes you find, sometimes you let yourself be found. Finding requires intention, effort, and pursuit. It is the active search for meaning, purpose, and direction. But being found requires something different. It asks for openness. It asks us to trust that not every answer must be forced, that some opportunities, relationships, and insights arrive when we stop trying to control every step. The flower does not search for the bee, yet the bee finds the flower. The traveler does not always know what they're looking for, yet along the journey, something unexpected reveals itself. Life contains both movements: seeking and receiving, striving and allowing, finding and being found. The beauty of creation and the beauty of life are often the same. Neither always follows a plan. Neither guarantees a specific result. Yet both reward those who remain curious enough to continue. So create, even when you do not know what it will become. Explore, even when you do not know where the path leads. Trust the process, not only the outcome. Some days you will discover something valuable. Other days the valuable thing will be the person you become while searching. And perhaps that is enough. Because not every journey needs a destination to be meaningful, and not every creation needs a purpose to be worthwhile. Sometimes the greatest gift is simply being fully present in the act of becoming.